Before we get into the video, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you one of my own recipes. This is a cashew-coconut crusted chicken. What's great about this recipe is that it is a perfect weekday meal. It's super yummy, but very, very quick to get on the table. Another thing I love about this recipe is that it's a really simple crust. It's not the dredge you would normally know for a chicken parmesan or something of that nature with the flour and the eggs and that process. It's literally the combination of the cashews and the coconut with the chicken. For those of you on the Whole30, this is a friendly recipe. There's one little modification, but I'll let you know during the video. Before we get into the video, please subscribe and ring the bell so you'll be notified anytime a new video comes up. Okay, let's get started. So this is pretty much everything you're going to need to make this recipe. To start, we need to crush the cashews and coconut into a coarse crumble. Here's two options to crush these. The first option, put them both in a freezer bag and use a rolling pin to crush, like so. Or, if you have a food processor, you can use that to crush them using the pulse button. Keep an eye not to pulse too fine. Next, place the pulsed mixture on a plate and we're going to give it a quick season. Add salt, pepper, chili powder, and garlic powder. Mix well with your hands, then spread evenly onto the plate. With each chicken breast, cut it half lengthwise to create a cutlet. Next, put each chicken cutlet in between two pieces of cling wrap and use a rolling pin to flatten slightly. We want to season every element. So before I start the crust process, I'm going to lightly season each of the chicken cutlets with salt and pepper. Next up, time to crust. For easy assembly, place the cashew plate, seasoned chicken, and cookie sheet in close proximity. Crusting the chicken is pretty easy. With one hand, place your chicken on the cashews, and with a clean hand, place the cashew-coconut crumbs on top of the chicken to adhere it. Once well coated, transfer it to a cookie sheet to get ready to fry. Next, using a medium-hot, large pan, add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. The amount of oil will vary depending on your pan size. We're not deep frying, so just use the amount of oil accordingly. When the oil is hot, add the chicken into the pan, careful not to overcrowd it. Cook on each side until golden brown, approximately 3 minutes per side. Then flip to cook the next side. Repeat this step with all pieces of chicken. When you're almost done, set the oven to broil. To finish, place all cooked chicken back in your original pan, then drizzle with lemon and maple syrup. Place the pan in the oven on broil and cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes or until bubbly. Finish this recipe by garnishing with the whole cashews and torn basil. Then you're done. I hope this has inspired you to try your own version of cashew-coconut crusted. I hope this inspired you to try your own version of cashew-coconut crusted chicken. If you haven't already done so, please be sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you'll be notified anytime a new video comes up. Also, check out what I'm doing in between these videos. Follow me on social. I'll have details in the description box below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.